In this ArcMap demonstration, we're going to show you how to use the Arc toolbox to merge a number of layers into one. Currently in the map I have 5 line arc tiles or maps or layers of information. Alright, and you can see as I turn them off there, 5 different pieces that create one map here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to merge all those into one single layer. So to begin with, I'll go to Arc Toolbox, open up the window here. If you don't already have it open, click the Arc Toolbox here and it will open the window as well. Again, with all the windows here in ArcMap, you can choose to park them wherever you want or have them free floating. Okay, now that it's open, we could search for the correct tool in all these different areas, but to speed things up, I'm going to go to the search tab, and with search open, again, if you don't have this window parked off the side here, you can come up to click the search window tool here and that'll open up for you. I'm going to search just the tools, so I'll click that, and then under tools I'm going to type the word merge, and then I'll click the search tool and everything comes up that is related, all the tools that are related to the word merge show up. So what we want to do is we want the one that combines multiple input data sets. So to actually open the tool, I'm going to click the green link here, which now turns blue when I click on it. I'll click on it and it appears opened up here for me. So it was under the data management tools in the toolbox, and under there it was in general. So the tools signified by the icon hammer here, I'm going to double click that tool to start it running. Now, the way things are set up in at the university here, University College, for some reason we always get these script error messages. You can just ignore them by either clicking yes or no. It doesn't seem to matter what you click, and just keep on clicking until you don't get any more of those and the tool opens up for you. Normally those tools should run without those messages popping up. So to begin with, we need to choose our input data sets. I'll just move the window over here to the right a bit. So I'm going to click this drop down arrow here. Also, depending on where we are here, it now tells me about those input data sets. If I can get out of there again. Oh, we're in there. Before I clicked on this box here, it was telling me about the tool. So I'll click this drop down menu or window frame, and I'm going to pick the ones I want. Remember I said I want the line arc layers, so we have to choose them one at a time. So I'll pick the first one, and then we'll go pick another one, the next one, and the next one after that, and one more. Okay, so now I have all my input data sets. Now I have to come to an output. Alright, by default it's set to a global database. I want to change that, so I'm going to browse and put it on my desktop, which it's already pointing at. I'm going to call it junk, and I want it to be a feature class. Alright, so you just leave that as the default, hit save, and it now changes in here. The next part of the window, it's just optional. We're just going to leave that as is, and now we'll hit OK to run the tool. starts running down here, you can see that it's saying that the merge tool is running. Alright, I'm just going to pause the recording now while the tool finishes. Okay, the tool is finished. You see that I now have a junk layer here, which when I click on this, shuts all the layers off at once. And alright, the symbology hasn't been set yet for that layer. That's why you see some lines that weren't originally visible. So now I can apply the symbology for that one large individual layer and not have to do it to all the individual ones by themselves. And I guess we could do that, so I'm just going to go to properties for that new merged layer. I'm going to ask to import symbology, and we'll import the symbology from one of the other line arc layers that we had previously. Hit OK, OK, and now we have the same symbology on this layer. Click OK, and now I can turn off, if I turn off this group of original individual tiles for line arc, we can see that we still have all that data, but it's in one big large data set instead of the 5 individual ones. That's it.